What are some of the most common issues you see with cardboard boxes on moving day?
Well, sturdiness, we actually have our favorite boxes that we use sometimes, which is not a thing, but like the handles break, you know, like the bottoms fall out, even with a lot of tape and stuff like that. Ripping and tearing, weight, size, all those things matter. I mean, it's weird how much of an opinion I have on cardboard.
Getting them into the moving truck, we don't necessarily do that part, but these totes will stack in a grid-like fashion. They'll be able to get more in, and then it'll make it cheaper for your move. So with the different sizes of boxes, they really have to work to Tetris those together.
It's so satisfying.
In this situation where we've used over 300 totes, if somebody were to have the job of just putting those together, how long do you think something like that would take, and at what cost do you charge for somebody to basically be on site to just put boxes together?
So it takes about a minute, like, to put the box together, flip it over, you know, get it ready to put items into. So if you take that times 300 and divided that by 60, you're the math.
Former math teacher, so my mental math is not always there, but yeah, it's just, I'm a couple hours. So we're talking about like just that time that takes to bring them, the time it takes, the space it takes in our vehicles to like bring here and get there, and just these totes stack better. You have the carts with them, and they just are sturdier. That's what's nice, is they're not gonna break down over time, and we can take care of the items a lot better, which is great.
Another thing that we do is we'll pack up for clients that have a transition where they're storing their items for a period of time. And if we put things in boxes, we're really not as confident that they will be safe in a storage unit or a pod, but we know with these totes that it'll be safe.
Do you ever notice fewer damaged items when you're using totes versus cardboard?
Yes, I mean, a lot of that has to do with just packing it in general, but the totes, if you get a damaged box, like if it gets wet, weather conditions aren't always great on moving day. We live in Nebraska, for crying out loud. So if those get wet, those can really provide issue. And so these are great because they can get wet and it's not a problem.